Hey everyone, it's Kyle. I'm here to do a review on this soda maker. Now as you can see, it's already out of the box, but I'll go over what comes in the box. So we'll just take this and set it aside. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a bottle. Now I've already filled it up to do a demonstration later. The instruction manual and the actual soda maker itself. Now it doesn't come with the CO2 container, but it's just an easy one that you can buy from Walmart. It's a 60-liter CO2 container. Just pop it in, twist it, and then you're all done. Now, one great thing I absolutely love about this is this doesn't plug into anything, which is perfect. So what you do is you just take your bottle, pop it up, and then release the CO2. But I'll give you a quick demonstration right now. Okay, so move that back. So there's two lines. You got a minimum and a maximum. You just want to keep the water level in between there. Take the top off. That's it for installation. And then when you want to carbonate it, you just hear that. It's done. You do it 2 or 3 times, it says in the instructions. You just pop it right off. It's crisp, very nice. I absolutely love it. And then what you do is you add if you want to add fruits or like juice packets or whatever to this to get added flavor, you can. It is absolutely great. Highly recommend this product. So yeah, absolutely easy to use. I could just throw this in a pantry and then take it out when I want something to drink. It's that easy. So absolutely gonna love this product. If you get it, don't hesitate to get yours today. You won't regret it.